Students, today we will discuss about the exceptions. If we classify the metals and non-metals on basis of the physical properties, then what are the exceptions? First, all metals are hard. First, according to the physical properties, metals are hard except sodium, potassium and lithium. They are soft and they can cut even with the knife. Osmium. Osmium is the hardest metal. It is the hardest metal. But lithium is the lightest metal. Lithium is the lightest metal. All metal are solid. All metal are solid except mercury. It is not solid. Cesium, francium, germanium, gallium. They have low melting solids. They are low melting solids. Gallium become liquid if kept on the palm. Gallium is have less melting point and it will be changed into the liquid if kept on the palm. But gallium has high boiling point. Gallium have high boiling points which make it useful for high temperature for the thermometer, high temperature thermometer. Iodine is a non-metal. Iodine is a non-metal, but it has metallic luster like the metals. Metal have luster, but iodine is a non-metal and it is lustrous. Diamond. Diamond is the non-metal, allotropic form of the carbon. It is also highly lustrous. Non-metal. Non-metal have low melting and boiling point. Non-metal have low melting and boiling point. But diamond, boron, silicon and graphite, all they have high melting and boiling point. Metals have high melting and boiling point. Non-metal have low melting and boiling point, but metals have high melting and boiling point. Tin has the highest melting point and it is used in the bulb and its melting point is 3300 degree Celsius, whereas sodium and potassium have low melting and boiling point. Sodium and potassium have low melting and boiling point. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Bad conductor of heat and electricity. But graphite is a non-metal and it is the good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals have high density. For example, copper, chromium, silver, gold, platinum, osmium, all they have high density. But metals like sodium, potassium and lithium have density less than 1 gram centimeter cube inverse. Diamond is a non-metal but it has a high density. Diamond is a non-metal, it has high density. Generally metal have 1 to 3 valence electron. 1 to 3 valence electron in the outermost shell, but hydrogen has 1 valence electron. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron, but it is a non-metal. Helium has 2 valence electrons, but still it is a non-metal. Metals usually have a bright metallic luster and are silvery white in appearance. But gold, it is a metal and it is yellow in color, and copper is a metal and it is reddish brown in color. Non-metals. Non-metals generally do not form alloys, but carbon is alloyed with the iron to form the steel utensils. Carbon is alloyed with the iron to form the steel. Thus, metals and non-metals cannot be classified on the basis of the physical properties only. We cannot classify them. There are a lot of exceptions in metals and non-metals. That's why we cannot classify on the basis of physical properties. Only chemical properties are more suitable to classify them. Thank you.